Hello, I'm Camper Casey at Johnson RV, America's #1 premium pre-owned RV dealership, located in Fife, Washington. Today, I'm going to show you a Fleetwood Bounder 33C. First thing I wanted to point off to you, this is a gas coach. It has the Ford V10 in it. It also has 22.5-inch tires. That's going to help you ride considerably. Okay, next, I wanted to show you a couple things right in this area. I wanted to show you these nice side opening baggage doors. Really nice with slam latches. I'll show you here how it actually is designed to slam. A couple things I want to show you. You do have a battery disconnect located right here in a nice convenient area. As soon as you walk out the main door, you can actually turn it on or off. Next is where you do your fill of the propane. Pretty cut and dry. You don't have to pull it off like a trailer or fifth wheel. It's mounted in there. Okay, also wanted to show off how much room you actually have on the outside for storage. I wanted to point out that this actually has a water filter set up in it. It's nice because then you can filter the water coming in so it can taste nice and fresh as you drink it. I wanted to show off the slam latches like I just was talking about. It's just designed to do that. Some more area for storage in there. Also, you do have some shut-off valves in here as well. All right. A couple other things I want to talk in this area. This is going to be where your furnace is, and it's actually going to be hot on this side. It's kind of a nice feature to be on this side, so in case you're, camping in the wintertime, you have your awning out, you can actually have this area a little warmer for you. Also, this is going to be an access panel for the back of the refrigerator. It's an access panel basically for service. I also wanted to point this out too, because you got yourself a hot water heater that not only is very efficient, but it's a 10-gallon hot water heater that's gas and electric. It'll actually do, with both gas and electric on, up to 19 gallons per hour. A lot of water. Show off a couple other things. If you pan down slightly, you'll actually see how beefy your jacks are. Now these are going to be an auto leveling system. That's just one of the 4. Very heavy duty there. Once again, slam latches. Okay. Show off also in the tail, you actually have a full pass-through that you can see on the other side. Slam the latches here. Okay. This does have a slide on the passenger side. One thing you might notice is there's a slide topper up top there. All right. Protects you from debris getting caught up in the slide room. All that good stuff, or not so good. Also here, this is a full walk-on roof. There's a ladder back here. Also, you're going to see a camera up in the middle there for your backup camera. Also, this is going to be a one-piece fiberglass cap. It does have a hitch back here. It looks like it's going to be, weight carrying is going to be 500 pounds of payload on it and up to 5,000 pounds of towing. I do have the generator on right now for actually a reason. I wanted you to see how loud it actually is with the door open and I'm not screaming here. Also wanted to show you that pass-through once again. I'll close it up here and I want you to see the 5,500 watt generator. It's running right now and I'm standing right next to it. I'll close this one up and show off the docking station. This is where you're going to have your power cord stored. You're going to have your Santa flush, also your city hookup, and it's going to have a shower, hot and cold. I'll close this up. Let's go inside. All right, so we're inside here. I kind of wanted to show off a few things up front. First off, you may see right up top at the highest point of the dash, that is the screen for the backup camera and the side mounted cameras. So this actually has side mounted cameras, really nice feature, especially when you're close quarter combat or going down the freeway, you're gonna change lanes, turn your turn signal on, and you can see it very easily without your eyes leaving the road. Really, really nice. A couple other things I wanted to show off too. You can see right there, that's going to be your generator start. It's kind of nice because all the buttons are just right there, easily gotten to. All right. Also, in this particular unit, you have a battery voltage check, which is really nice to have, so you know how your batteries are going. Also, if you look up, you'll end up seeing a little bit more cabinets up here. They're not real deep, but they're actually utilizing every square inch that they can. Also, in the passenger seat, that is actually a recliner. It's actually kind of nice. You can kick back, obviously when you're not driving down the road, and relax a little bit. It's kind of nice to have. Nice little feature. Not much else going on up front other than there's shade. The main shade on the windshield is power. The other two on either side, the driver and the passenger, are manual. All right, so if we pan this way, I wanted to show off a couple of things here. You can put all kinds of CDs in there, DVDs for a rainy day. And all the cabinets are really nice and deep, and also down here, they're fully adjustable. All right, so you got yourself the dinette right here. We'll make into a bed in case you have a guest over or two. I kind of like that they actually have cup holders there, so if you are traveling down the road, you can set your drink there and it doesn't come flying out of there. Once again, wanted to show off all of the cabinets and how much cabinet space you actually have in these. Really nice. This particular model here, I kind of wanted to highlight this area as well. It's an L-shaped couch. It really reminds me of, at least, very homey. All right. If we actually come back over in this area, I wanted to show off the kitchen. So this is going to be a solid surface countertop here and a steel sink. Looks like a 50-50 split, which it is. All right. Some of the cabinet space here. Notice that there is some adjustable, actually fully adjustable shelves up in here. And your owner's manual and all your good stuff right there still in the coach. Show off a couple more little, you can actually have a trash can down there. It's kind of nice. You also do have some lights down here. I kind of like that it's down here and hidden, so it looks a little cleaner. Also, you'll probably notice that you got yourself some nice hidden hinges. More residential-like, a lot more durable. This is going to be a 3-burner stove, gas, but I also wanted to show off how heavy these little guys are too. You could tell that they're just doing a higher grade gas range. Also, tile backsplash. Nice. Looks really, really good. Right now, we got yourself double door refrigerator with actually an ice maker. It's kind of nice to have. Look at how much space is in that. Think of all the stuff you can put in there. All right. Wanted to show off this area right here. This is where the TV and also your fireplace is. That actually works really well. That's going to be electric. So you have 2 different ways of heating this place. You can either do it with the gas furnace or you can do it with the fireplace. It's good till probably about 36, 37 degrees. Get the chill out of the air. This one also does have 2 ACs in it, hence the 50 amp cord we saw outside. And if we keep on going, you can see, let's see, the bathroom in here. Lots of space. Yep. And a nice neo-angle shower that is pretty large. All right, and also the nice cabinets that are in here and a nice fantastic fan. If we keep on moving this way, in the bedroom. This is a queen bed, A couple things I wanted to show off here is the cabinets above the bed, which it's nice to have any extra space as possible. And on either side, you actually do have a couple little cabinets there to put whatever you can imagine in there. I wanted to show off underneath this thing too. And looks like you got a good amount of space under this one as well. So extra blankets, maybe some sleeping bags in case you do have a couple guests that will sleep up front. Kind of wanted to show off how deep these cabinets are over here. One thing I thought was really interesting is you got this guy that you can hang you can hang a bunch of clothes in here. You can take the shelves out, multiple different things you can actually do in this area. Also, TV right directly smack in the middle, so either person that's in bed can watch the TV in a good angle. All right, I'll show off a couple more of these drawers. You can see there's 2, 4, 6 drawers and 2 nice cabinets. Ooh, and actually a couple more drawers back here. So lots and lots and lots of space for all your sheets, blankets, and anything else. And also, I guess you can call this his and hers. Hers and his over there, or vice versa. If you have any other questions on this 2014 Bounder, please give me a call at 253-286-0833. And once again, this is Camper Casey. Adios.